During 2020 Lunar New Year holiday, the outbreak of COVID-19 created emergency need on epidemic prevention and control supplies. Holtop received urgent missions from frontline hospitals. The first project asking from Huaru Hospital required to deliver 16 sets of DX coil air handling unit in 11 days.
On January 2nd and 3rd, Holtop received inquiries about DX coil-type air handling units for PCR cleanroom of Hengshui Hospitals and negative pressure ward of Xinji People's Hospital. We well aware the danger for on-site evaluation, but we took the risk and conducted in full evaluation of the facility. Next inquiry from Changle People's Hospital Fever Clinic came in right after the Lunar New Year ended. At that time, the epidemic has entered a more serious and complex period. The hospital urgently needed the air handling and purification equipments, and we gave our full support. We completed the design, production and delivery process only in 7 days, which one precious time for the Fever Clinic of Changle County People's Hospital to be completed ahead of schedule. I felt the responsibility on my shoulders when I received the mission to design to deliver the air handling units for Frontline Hospital in 7 days. I checked the material inventory and worked overnight for plan design. We completed the design mission with fastest speed and rigorous attitude and passed the baton to our colleagues in the production department. On the second day of the Chinese New Year, I received the fresh air ventilation design mission for isolation ward of Beijing Xiaodingshan Hospital and Huaru Hospital. I know our company was once again assumed the important responsibility of the country's fighting against the epidemic since the SARS in 2003. It shoulders the hope of the people of the whole country. There is no need to say more. I put aside all the things in my hands and devoted myself to the design of the plan and accomplished this glorious task on time. Under the premise of prevention and control, we urgently recalled a large number of key production staff. We strained every nerve to make the fresh air equipment reach the epidemic frontline as soon as possible. There were so many cases like Beijing Huaru Hospital's urgent needs on more than 20 sets of direct expansion air handling unit. The production base gathered manufacturing staff to work overtime and race against time to ensure the smooth delivery of these orders, guaranteeing both quality and quantity. The team at Finished Products Warehouse was standing by anxiously, as everybody was well aware that the mobile cabin hospitals in Wuhan needed the HVAC equipment desperately. The sooner they set up the devices, the better the hospital conditions would be for medical staff to save countless lives. Finally, on February 12, 2020, the delivery assignment arrived and caused a burst of applause in the warehouse. The team worked through the entire night to load needed equipment onto a line of trucks.
At 2020, when our world was massively hit by the outbreak of COVID-19, Holtop Group stepped up, took the responsibility to supply and install world-class HVAC equipment to hospitals in Beijing, Hebei, and Shandong. Throughout the whole year, we took stronger measurements in disinfection and temperature test inside Holtop Park. As a result, Holtop Group saw zero infection case among staff members, and production went on without any interruption.